Well, my Chevy El Camino's been sitting about, a good month and a half, I guess. And we're going to give it a try with the start up, because I put this junk in the gas, this stuff, and seems to be a hell of a lot better than stable. And you can see the freaking animals just love living here. You look at the acorns and junk, right? So, ooh, I did leave that on. How about that? Put that on there a few days ago, I guess, when I was doing a video. So we're going to get this started up right now. Well, make sure we're in neutral. I already disconnected that damn clutch safety switch shit a long time ago, but probably pumping ain't going to matter because there's probably no gas up in there. Come on, baby. The trick is to find out what it idles at. I might use starting fluid on this damn bitch just to get it going. Choke's on, then it'll choke. Damn. It had probably been 2 months. Oh. Well, I'm going to use starting fluid, but I ain't going to even pull the air cleaner off. Just going to spray it on a filter. And it takes a while for the gasket up there, you know, just spray it up. Yeah, should do it. Yeah, should do it. Don't. Spray some in the carb. Bam. Ooh, that bitch. Probably let it sit a while. Well, that's why this crap's essential, man. Give it a little air filter cleaning there, right? Yeah. God. That's why you need to start this thing every once in a while. The gasket's way back there. I'm going to spray some in the carb itself. Give it a try again. Son of a bitch. Once ago. Well, try number 10, 15 or whatever it is. Well, unbelievable. Obviously it's got no gas or some shit. Well, part of the problem was the choke wasn't closing all the way. Shit, now it is. Nope. I'm gonna try 50 here. Yep, that was some starting fluid in there. Damn. Well, here's the reason. No gas getting up in the carb. Nothing coming out of the fuel filter. I'm gonna check the other side of it. Nope, bone dry on the other side too. So I'm gonna put a suction gun on there, see if we can pull some gas out of that thing. Well, might as well clean out this fuel filter a little bit. Yeah, spray some in here. Think you could do that. That's a good cleaner, man. You can use gas. Blow it out. Blow it out. Now this car might have a bad fuel pump because the original one, I know I didn't change it, and I bought this in 1991. So it might have a bad fuel pump, or it's out of gas. But I don't think so, because I think it was tip top right to full, and I only been starting it up every once in a while. I ain't been driving it. And you see this little BS socket. You know, it's better than using a screwdriver. Get it a little tighter, and you don't have to worry about a screwdriver slipping off your. Like, it's easy to get the screwdriver on here, but say you're way down someplace, you know, using that little handle or extension on it. So this is going to go on here, and we're going to section that out, see if it works. Okay, got it on there. We're going to pull that out real quick. And not good to do this by electrical shit, but we're charging the battery, but we're just going to pull it real quick. See if we get some fuel. I don't see no, well, a little bit. A little bit. Probably should put a damn hose on there and try to suck it out. It's really made for oil versus gas, but I figured I'd try this. Should have freaking done something. Or that bitch is bone dry in the gas tank, I don't know. Yeah, I tried putting some gas in there because I don't know if it's got gas. Maybe evaporator or something. You know, the gauge I don't think is working right now. It used to work. Oh yeah, something's going on there. Feels like it's pulling some kind of liquid somewhere way back there instead of just air. Oh, here, see? There's no gas. It's a fucking problem. God damn. You know what the problem was there? Evaporation. It's called evaporation. And obviously, I was running it because I figured a gas gauge, I know it looks like it, just want to prove it's definitely busted. Showing full, so that might be, there's a ground touching someplace, or it's behind a dash. So, that'll work. Yeah, the bitch will start. Hey, you see my gas gauge is pegged way the hell over, and I figured I was wrong, but I know I filled it up and I've only been just starting it here and there. So I got to pull that apart. It's probably grounded out. Well, could have a bad fuel pump too. Started a couple months ago, I think. Yeah, I poured gas in the carb, so it should be going for at least a little bit. Yeah. And it's got a good idle at cold. That means this crap worked, because it was sitting a while and the gas that was in there didn't get so gummy that it clogged it off the carburetor. This is ice cold. It's freaking running all right. No choke on it. That means this crap worked. What I gotta do is fix the fuel gauge, but what I'm probably gonna do with this damn thing is I'm gonna either just change the timing chain and the gear set and the fuel pump and the belts. I already got the belts already laying over there, and that's it. Or I'm gonna change the timing chain, gear set, the camshaft with the lifters, which means I'll pull off the intake and scour it. And I don't know if I'm going to do all that, to tell you the truth. I don't really give a shit about that crap. I think I'm just going to do the basic necessities to keep it reliable and fix that fuel gauge, which I might be doing right real soon. Damn, man. That gas evaporated because I filled it up where it was actually about a year ago. Now, I haven't been driving this car. I've been starting it up. But this is my car I need for hauling. I'm gonna have to haul shit with. This is gonna be hauling shit to Smoky Mountains, Northeast Tennessee, from North Central Florida. So anyway, I let it run a little bit, and taking a look at that damn gas gauge, man. I don't know what the hell deal is with that shit, but it's probably not. I know it's not gauge. It's got like a float in there resistance. What could be the ground wire. I think it's up in the dash itself, though. If it's grounded out, it'll say full. That thing said full pegged all the way over, which means it was grounded out. And that's why I wasn't putting gas in it, because I just wanted to see for sure that gauge was definitely bad. And I think this thing evaporates some damn gas, man, even though it's got one of these charcoal canister. Well, I don't think it's hooked up. That's what the deal is. Demon carburetor, man. You know it ain't hooked up. Well, it's still plugged up. I don't know. Shit evaporated that gas in the set of a year. That's what I'm calling Suzuki. I let that sit. SJ413. Same shit. Anyway. God, I didn't expect that to be out of gas. Because, man, like I said, last year, I've only been starting this up every couple months. And last year, I filled it up to the brim, right to the top with those gas cans. And, you know, for the amount of times I was running it, I don't think I would have used up. Maybe I could have, man. I don't know. Maybe if you're using it up half a gallon at a time and you started maybe a gallon at a time. I don't know. But she's got a good idle on here. And that's a testimony to that stuff. Man, that stable shit didn't do that. I was always having to, you know, spray all kinds of shit in the carburetor, using starting fluid and let it soak. That crap worked. That PRI-G. That shit worked, man. And you know, this thing needs a new set of plugs and shit, you know. Plugs have been here for freaking 8 million years. I mean, shit, probably at least 5 years. Oh God, man, I should probably change the sugar cap, plug. I don't know. Not sure about putting a cam in. It's got a little bit of a spot on the cam where I can't get out a lifter tick, but I might just leave that alone. The other thing is, I know that intake manifold is clogged up, the EGR, or whatever the fuck that thing is. It's not an EGR, that's all disconnected anyway. And it's not the original car, but don't use that bullshit. So, you know, I'd have to take the intake manifold off someday if I got to go get it all emissions ready. But you know what I'm going to do for emissions on this, instead of fucking around with, screwing around with that? This is getting the I think I got the medium size engine HHO kit in this sucker, the Jeep or Suzuki SJ413, and that's like real overkill for that. I'm going to get the real large engine size HHO kit for this thing, and that'll make it run nice and clean and give me a little more fuel mileage. But man, that's kind of thinking it might have been out of gas, but I was thinking, no, I feel the hell out of that thing. I guess it, you know, evaporates after a year, man. Didn't use it much. So, but normally, I tell you, when I just let it sit like this, that gas would get so freaking funky. And you know, I think it maybe was been sitting 2 or 3 months now, I don't know. But normally that gas would get so damn funky that it would gum the hell out of that carburetor, and I'd have to spray like a half a can of starting fluid in there, like, which works better than gum out. Let it sit for about 4 or 5 hours, then I go to start it, and then it would be cleared up. It would clear out that carb. But with that PRI-G shit really does work, because whatever crap was in there, you know, it didn't gum it up. Even though it was dry, it didn't leave any gummy residue. So, let this run a little bit, and I'm going to stick it on the Bedini Renaissance Charger. And, you know, the other thing is, when you're starting these damn things up, you know, it burns out starters, not so much the length of time you're hitting the key, but when the voltage drops on the battery. If you're running, probably should put that on a separate video, but if you're running a freaking boost with your starter, you got a good, you know, you got a lot of good, you know, juice going into the starter, that starter will not burn out anywhere near as fast as if you're running low volts. This thing starts losing charge, or maybe I'm not using the right engineering term, but you know, the freaking voltage drops down on the alternator, on the battery as you're loading it. You got it backed up by a boost, and you're starting it. You could crank it over longer safely on that starter. Now, I don't know about electronic shit, because well, you should be alright with that shit too, as long as you don't overboost the crap out of it. But that's well, got to do a lot of freaking work, man. I got too many projects. This thing's got to be ultra reliable, because this can be my Tennessee Smoky Mountains hauling car. I'll probably be down here. This will be the southern base, and that'll be the northern base of the CSA Confederacy, the northeast Tennessee up in the mountains. See, like I always said, I'm a Southern Confederate, Southern Italian Confederate. That's what that is. Got Italian and I got a mix of freaking Yankee and I'm not a Yankee, man. I got Italian heritage. I don't have any freaking Yankee heritage. I got Italian heritage and Confederate heritage. No Italians fought for the Yankees, man. Italians were fighting against the freaking bullshit invaders coming down from, the north when Europe. Remember the hordes in Rome coming after Rome? That's another way you're looking at it.